Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the trend trading cloud indicator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, here we go. So basically this indicator helps us to identify the prevailing trend in the market. All right, let's go to the input settings, and as you can see, you can actually modify the ATR period, the multiplier, can also modify the colors, bands width, area width, and all of that, right? Feel free to modify the settings according to your taste, and if you want to turn the alerts on or off. Okay, so when the momentum in the market is bullish, when the trend has been identified as bullish, you will notice these vertical lines, blue lines, appearing on the candlesticks. All these vertical blue lines appearing on the candlesticks show the prevalence of bullish momentum in the market. All right, and then when the momentum is bearish, you will notice all those vertical red lines. Okay, the red lines appearing show bearish momentum. Okay, you will also notice that below the candlesticks, the red dynamic line that moves at the bottom of the candlesticks, also serves as a sort of dynamic support, right? While the blue dynamic line above the candlestick serve as a sort of dynamic resistance. However, the color switches when the momentum switches. So when the momentum is bullish, the dynamic line below candlesticks will be red, while the dynamic line above the candlestick will be blue. So that happens when the momentum is bullish, which is when the vertical lines are blue. But then when the momentum is bearish and the vertical lines are red, you will notice that the dynamic line above the candlesticks would also be red, and then the dynamic line below the candlesticks will be blue. Okay, so all you just have to watch out for are mostly the vertical lines. When it changes color, you know that momentum is shifting. Okay, and make sure that you always get your confirmations. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and don't forget to apply proper risk management, risk to reward ratio, and all of that. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.